Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Keroppi with a leaf umbrella. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes with 2 large circles. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another set of circles for the pupils. And now let's color both of these in black. Next, underneath each eye, let's draw a curve down and in. And then connect them at the bottom. Next, inside at the bottom, let's draw a V shape for the mouth. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start with 2 curves underneath. And then connect them at the bottom. Next, inside, let's draw 2 stripes across. Now let's move underneath and draw the feet. Let's draw a line down in the center. Now let's move out to the sides and let's draw a curve. And then 2 more bumps to the center on the left and on the right. Now let's move back up and draw the arms. Underneath the head on the right, let's draw a curve going out. And then 3 fingers underneath. Now let's move over to the left, and for this arm, let's draw a curve going up. And again, 3 bumps for the fingers. And that's it for Keroppi. Now let's draw the leaf on top. Let's start on top of the left hand and let's draw a curve going up. Now let's hop in next to the eye and let's draw another curve up and in. Now let's draw another larger curve up and all the way over to the right side. And then curve it back into the other eye. Now inside the leaf on the left, let's draw a line across, an angle on top, and a shorter angle underneath. Next, underneath the leaf on the right side, let's draw Teru. Let's start with a small line down. And then a circle for the head. Next, inside, let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And a V shape underneath for the mouth. Now let's add the bow on the head. Let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And then the same thing underneath. Now underneath for the body, let's draw 2 curves down. And then a wavy line across the bottom. And lastly, let's draw 2 curves inside at the top. And that's it for Keroppi. Now let's quickly color it in. and done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!